Trick or treat.
That actually flies. This is a real-life hologram.
What the heck?
Create the illusion that your house is on fire.
Oh.
It's a full cup of water.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 magic pranks for Halloween.
Halloween's upon us!
Here's the perfect prank to gross out your friends and family on Halloween. Take a rubber band and hold it up to your eye like this. Tell them to watch. The rubber band begins to slowly disappear into my eye. Look. Now look. Happy Halloween. Here's what you need to set this trick up. You're actually gonna need 3 rubber bands. The first one we're gonna set aside for later. And these 2, we're gonna make this setup right here. It is just a rubber band with another broken rubber band tied onto it. Your next step is then to affix this end to your belt loop on the back of your pants. Once you have this setup attached and it's running over your shoulder, you're then going to pinch the band between your thumb and your pointer finger, just like this. Now this is kind of angle sensitive. You wanna make sure they're seeing it from the front. The tension on this band is going to pull the rubber band slowly through our fingertips like this. You can see as I slightly let off the pressure, the rubber band just looks like it's slowly disappearing between my fingers. That's how we're going to create this illusion of the rubber band just being sucked into your eye socket like this. And then at that last moment where it's in your fingertips, you're just going to let go and it will pop back to your belt loop. The second part of your setup is to take a duplicate rubber band and you're going to hide that in your mouth or your nose. Now this is optional, and I also want to give a disclaimer here that this could be very dangerous if you're a kid. You definitely want to get an adult supervision or help with this. You want to ball up the band in a way that it's going to unravel easily. So I find that a kind of crisscross back and forth like this, and kind of pinch it. Take this little bundle and just tuck it right up in your nostril just like that, while you keep hold of the end that you're going to grab and pull it out by. So you don't want to get this lodged in your nostril. That's not a fun trip to the hospital. So you want it to be right there at the edge of your nose where the audience can't see it, but you can very easily grab it and pull it out. So we've got our hookup ready to go here. We've got it pinched between our fingers. We're mindful of our angle with the audience. We've got the rubber band loaded in our nostril or tucked in our cheek. So we've combined these 2 elements of this one disappearing and this one appearing. Here on the face, you're just going to gently let off with your fingertips, and that tension on the band will cause it to slowly begin to retract, and it looks like it's just disappearing into your eye. And now you just reach up, grab, and kind of make a show of this, you know, put some acting into it. Almost like it's a little painful. And you extract that rubber band from your nasal cavity. Somehow it went into your eye and out of your nose. A really gross and fun magic prank for Halloween. Try it out. This is called the Pepper's Ghost Illusion. See the little hummingbird inside the plastic lid? A little pet. This is a real life hologram. You can do this with many different images. You can see the moon spinning inside here. And we even have a T-Rex.
We have a T-Rex.
So cool.
Here's everything you need to create this effect.
You're going to need the lid from a coffee cup. A Starbucks cup works perfect. You want this clear plastic dome lid like this. You're then gonna take your scissors and cut out a piece of product packaging film like this, clear plastic film. Take some paper and trace out the design of the film that we want to place into the lid, and you want to cut the paper until you get it fitting just perfectly inside the lid like this. Now we're gonna take this and trace it onto our film, and then we have the exact shape that we need it cut into. Now that you have your piece of film cut out, you can discard the piece of paper. This is all you're going to need to set up the trick. You want to put this in the cup lid at a 45-degree angle and put a piece of tape right here at the top to hold it in place. So from the side, this is what it should look like. Now you're all set up and ready to go. All you have to do is go on YouTube and type in Pepper's ghost video, and you will find videos like this with a black background that you can play to create your holographic image. So we've got a little hummingbird here. You're going to take the lid and place it down on the screen of the phone, and as you can see, it will start to create the illusion that the little hummingbird is somehow trapped inside the plastic lid. You're gonna adjust this until you get it just right, and this works much better when you turn the lights off. So what's happening here is the film is actually reflecting the screen of the phone. That's why it's important that it's at a 45-degree angle. When you sit the plastic lid on the screen of the phone, that reflection makes it appear as though the image on the screen is actually inside the lid. It looks like the T-Rex is just trapped inside the phone here. There are many different applications for this. This used to be used back in the day in big stage illusions to make it look like apparitions, ghosts were appearing on stage. It's such a cool illusion. Try this out at home and let me know your results.
Hey Megan, I got you an invitation to our Halloween party. Check it out.
When is it?
Soon.
Evan, oh my gosh. So bad.
These are our new magic Halloween flying bats.
You didn't say anything about a bat.
It's available now from our online shop, EvanEraTV.com. It is just like the magic scorpion moth, the flying butterflies that we also sell. So you can see as we twist this up, the rubber band there in the middle provides tension, and that is how the bat actually flies. So you twist this up, then you're going to load this into an invitation to a Halloween party, a card. You can put it in a book, and then when they open it up, the bat will spring forth and fly into the air and totally freak them out.
You grotesque wings. Thanks.
Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a magic flying bat. Freak out your friends, family, and neighbors by making it look like your house is on fire for Halloween. It looks like the inside of the house is just engulfed in flames.
Believe it or not, there's only 4 ingredients to this prank. All you need is a box fan, a bed sheet, preferably white, an orange light bulb, and some push pins.
So you want to set this up in front of the window of a house, and you can duplicate this on all the windows of the house if you have multiple fans and multiple sheets. You want to start out by laying the fan down right in front of the window, just like this. Step 2, you're going to take your bed sheet and tack it to the top of the window here and here. Once you have the sheet tacked in place on the window, you're gonna set the bulb right here in the middle of the fan, and you're gonna drape the sheet over just like this, and then turn your fan on. And then once you have this in place, your prank is good to go. Just wait for it to get dark outside, and then you have the perfect illusion that the house is on fire. As the bed sheet ruffles and the orange light cascades off the sheet, it really creates this convincing effect that there's a fire inside the house. So check this out. I have 5 playing cards. Megan, you can see they're blank on this side.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see all 5 cards are blank. Show the camera as well. You can see the blank cards. Hold out your hand for me, Megan, just like this. Perfect. I'm going to set the cards on your hand just like that. Now take your other hand and just wave it over the top of the cards. Perfect. Now say the magic words, abracadabra.
Abracadabra?
Now look, we take the cards and look. A spider web has now appeared
God. How
on
did
the
you do
cards.
that? What the heck?
See?
Yeah.
Now you know what goes on a spider web, right?
Yeah, I don't like
Here,
that.
take your other hand and hold it out like that. Let's set the cards here.
Okay.
And just wave your other hand over top of the card.
Evan! Oh my gosh! That is not funny!
Available now at EvanEraTV.com, our online magic shop, shipping worldwide. This is the web. It's a classic magic trick, the scariest card trick in the world. It comes with everything you need to perform this trick. So it comes with all the cards. You get some spider cards here, the blank card and the web, and your little spider. This is what's going to appear on the back of their hand. Comes with a little bit of sticky tack. You're going to secretly load this onto the back of their palm when you put the cards on their hand. It's the perfect misdirection trick. And then when they go to wave over the cards, they freak out. They never see it coming. It's the perfect prank for Halloween. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and get your magic spider on the hand prank.
Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you, Megan. We've got 2 cups here, so we're gonna just pour some of the liquid into each one of the cups, okay?
Okay.
You can see it going in.
Yep.
Okay. All right, you take this cup.
Okay.
I'll take this one. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to take the cups of liquid, we're going to hold them over our head, just like this. Got it?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so now the idea here is we're going to make the liquid, the prime in the cup, disappear. Okay?
There's no way, but
You have to believe, okay? So the first thing you gotta do is you close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes super tight, and then you spin in a circle.
Does it matter which way?
Wait, not yet.
Oh.
Not yet. I'm just demonstrating. So you spin in a circle like this, you gotta go clockwise like I just did, okay?
Okay.
So, all right, go ahead. Yep.
One circle?
No, that's good, perfect.
Whoa.
Okay. All right, so you can open your eyes.
Okay.
All right, now we'll do the magic words,
Okay.
which are abracadabra. So you gotta say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Now check this out, look. The liquid in the
Oh.
cup disappears.
My gosh.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
So you
How
can do
the
the same
heck did
thing.
you do that?
It's magic.
What?
It happens when you do the spin.
Okay.
Yeah, so just go ahead and tilt your cup back.
I'm scared. It feels like there's something in here.
It happens at the last second. The magic happens at the last second.
You sure?
Here we go, yep. Just go ahead. See? Nothing?
What the heck?
It's magic.
How did you do that?
Stay tuned for the secret coming up next.
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. The secret to the magic disappearing drink trick is this right here, a magician's best friend. This is called slush powder. It's very similar to a product we already sell, the magic snow powder. So when you add water to the snow powder, it turns into instant snow. What the slush powder does is pretty much the same thing. You add water to it and it will turn into slush. So you add some of this to a cup. Now it's best to do this with a white cup so that the powder hides in the bottom. I'm doing this with a clear cup for demonstration purposes. So you have your slush powder in the bottom of the cup. That's gonna be their cup. Then when you pour the liquid into the cup, watch what happens. So the water goes in and now that slush powder instantly absorbs the liquid like this. Watch. It forms this slush that has just locked the moisture in. So when they close their eyes and you drink your liquid, they have no idea that their liquid has already formed into this gel. Any liquid that you ever want to make vanish, slush powder is the way to do it. Available now at EvanEraTV.com, or stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win some for free.
All right, I have an empty paper bag here. You guys can see inside it. There's nothing in it. I can verify for everybody at home there's nothing in the bag. Empty bag. Okay. I have in my pocket here a magic wand. If you would, take the magic wand and just tap the top of the bag for us. Give it a little tappy. Perfect. You can sit the wand down on the table.
Okay.
Now, you can see the bag is still empty. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. So reach up in the air and just reach and grab an invisible object, kind of. Perfect. Now, all you're going to do is just toss it towards the bag.
Okay.
Do you see?
What the
now,
heck?
Look. If you look down inside the bag, you can see. Go
There's
ahead.
no
Go ahead
way.
and reach in and pull that out.
Oh.
It's a full cup of water.
Oh my gosh. And it's real water.
The magic
magic appearing bag trick. This one is so good, I had to put it in the shop. It's available now at EvanEraTV.com. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a specially designed glass, a watertight lid for it, and the specially designed magic bag that does all the work for you. It's truly a stunning illusion to see a full glass of water just produced from an empty bag, and believe me when I tell you that the handling is really easy. Head over to EvanEraTV.com if you want to get one yourself, or stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm going to give one away to one lucky person. Alright guys, that is it for this episode of How To Magic. If you liked it, let me know in the comments down below which one of these magic pranks was your favorite. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic pranks from this video. All you have to do to win a magic prank for free is leave a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. That's it. All the tricks you saw in this video are available now in our online shop. That's EvanEraTV.com. Show it some love, support small business, and if you order now, you might get it in time for Halloween. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life.